What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Epic Gardening. Now today I have a special project to share with you. On my journeys down in Mexico City, I came across Huerto Roma Verde, which is an urban garden and permaculture village deep in the heart of La Roma district of Mexico City. Now, the thing that struck me the most is how well integrated this entire project was. Everything tied together. There were systems in place, and it really was a picture-perfect version of what a permaculture village might look like. You can see this is the main garden area where they have all of the raised beds arranged in a semicircle around this insect house and water capture system that is no doubt used to water that entire garden. Now, within the raised beds, they're growing a variety of plants, from medicinal herbs to culinary herbs to greens to fruiting chilies and tomatoes, all the way to pollinators and cover crops. Now we can see a little bit of a storefront. There's a bar to the right, a geodesic dome to the left, and then through that door that you just saw someone walk through is a shop where you can buy goods that are either sourced from the property or that are sustainably made and help support the property itself. And you can see there's water features all around the property that are absolutely incredible and really make it seem like a paradise right in the middle of the city. Now here I am just exploring. I found a little friend. This was a pretty intense looking cat, but once you pet him a little bit, he definitely got a little friendlier. But this is a cat that looks like he's seen some stuff in life. Just look at that grin. Look at that stare, that smoldering intensity. Now here we go. I started to explore a little bit in the back of the property and found a bunch of building materials, some water systems going on. Obviously there's a bunch of water storage going on right there. And here's the office. So they've beautified this entire space. Nothing is left undecorated and unbuilt. We can see a little fire pit right here. And then as we move over to the left, they even have a bit of a hospital system going on back there. And then there's a house that they're building, and you can see it's a pedal-powered house that's designed to be 100% off the grid. Now, obviously, it's still in construction, but it seems like there's a lot of progress being made. And now, as we take a little scoop around the property, you can see it's a very active space. There's people all around. There's green walls absolutely everywhere. And it's a vibrant space that the community is coming together. Now here, I took a little bathroom break. The toilets were absolutely amazing. I really enjoyed that experience, and you'll see, they even have chickens here. So take a look, Huerto Roma Verde, and if you like stuff like this on the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, and you can see that little bell right there. Smash that bell button. That'll let you know when new videos are coming. Take care, and good luck in the garden.